Hi everyone. Earnings trades are a big part of what we're doing right now. The earnings season just started. Let me show you our trade of the week. It was actually two earnings trades that took place one after another. Both American Express and Procter and Gamble are companies that are important to the American economy, and those companies can move markets when their earnings come out. We have a setup called a range trade, and it puts orders on the chart based on creating a range with time. We take about a minute, we create a range, and then our orders show up above and below the range. Procter and Gamble earnings came out exactly when expected. The price shot up. We moved our target further away because it was such a good move, and it was a winning trade. We traded micros on Procter and Gamble. So if you don't have a lot of money, you can still trade earnings with us. Then we got ready for American Express. It was just a few minutes after Procter and Gamble. We switched over to full-size instruments because look, you get up early in the morning. This was at 7 in the morning, and if you get up that early, you want to make some money. So it's important to trade micros when appropriate. We weren't sure what Procter and Gamble was going to do, but I was comfortable that American Express was going to move the market more significantly. And watch what happened. American Express was due out at 7 o'clock. Our range trade, a perfect setup. The news comes out, the futures knew the news was out before the stock chart. The price shoots up. Again, we expanded our outer target to try and make more money. And as the price moved up, I was able to manually move my stop up, getting more and more money as the price went in our direction. That's called trailing the stop. As you can see, I slowly move my stop up. That offers more and more profit as the price goes in that direction. It kept moving up, and then eventually what happens is it does eventually stop, change direction, and it takes you out of the trade. That's normal price action behavior on most trades. But you could see we traded Procter and Gamble for a profit and American Express. Both of them made us money. We got up early in the morning and made almost $200, less than an hour's worth of work, less than 2 minutes in the markets. A great way to trade. So join with us so you could learn how we trade stock earnings, selected stocks, using futures and the Ninja Trader platform. My name is Leigh Goldstein. I'm the trading director at 10-Minute Trades. Join us. It's earnings season right now. There are many, many more setups coming our way. I'll see you in the trade room.